Good morning, good morning, good morning. I know you guys cannot see me. It is 6:31 a.m. And I also forgot to, and that's because I forgot to take my camera, video laundry order that I picked up on yesterday when I got off of work. Hold for a second. Hopefully you guys can see me a little bit better. Not much. It's dark out here. But anyway, as I was saying, I'm on my way to drop off the laundry order that I picked up on yesterday. It was a 2-bag yesterday I picked up. And I don't remember picking up from this house before. I don't think I've ever picked up from this person before. Anyway, we're on our way to drop it off. I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I'm sorry this is going to be a very, very short video because I wasn't able to video a lot, so I think this is pretty much
Go past Old Village Gunter Drive and turn right onto Hampton Road Center Parkway.
I think this is going to be the only part you guys is going to be able to see, so it's not going to be a full-blown laundry motivational video, just me pretty much dropping it off, because like I said, I didn't have my camera on yesterday when I left work.
Turn right onto Hampton Road Center Parkway.
Me picking it up. Anyway, let's go drop it off, and hopefully we have time to do a spark delivery also before we have to do the work.
In a quarter mile, keep left to stay on Hampton Road Center Parkway.
I'll meet you guys when we get there.
I remember when it felt like time stood still, when I knew in the moment I found my forever. You captured my soul like you've known me for years, back when love was a whisper. And I promise you always, promise me you'll always lift me up in your arms. Up on your wings where I'll soar. As the sky is blue, just as your
guys, I laundry off and I made like $25.85, I believe. Now I just picked up another spark delivery for $18.73. On our way to go pick it up. It is a 3 drop off. I'm so sorry guys, you cannot see me, but it is still dark out here. But let's go pick up this spark delivery. Alright guys, we made it to the Walmart. Let's see what spot we're going to get, and hopefully they bring the grocery order straight out so we can go ahead and get them delivered and get to work. We're going to get
your destination is on the right.
Spot number 5. Be back when I get my order. We're on our way to the first drop off, which is looks like it's a townhouse. Ooh, my head cut off. And it is 9 minutes away. So let's go drop this first order off.
But 100, my love for you stands true. Please let me take your hand, where only our love could keep us from falling. Now and forevermore.
Is on to a house, and we're going 8 minutes away, but it looked like they had some instructions. So I'm about to pull over and read them. Let's see. It says, front door, leave at the door, please, and be careful because it's a, what? Leave at the door and be careful because it's a TV. Okay. I guess I got a TV on that porch. Let's go to the
In 100.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. And shadows and gloom are all that you see. We'll find a place where we can be free. From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun, shining in the darkest alley. Can't you see you will be free? I have been far, I have been wide, searching for peace, somewhere to hide. Now I am free, open and pure, fearless and babe, I am secure.
Guys, we're on our way to the last delivery, which is another house, and it is going 8 minutes away. 8 and 8 completion, and then we'll be on our way to work. So, and it said it had some instructions that leave at the front door. They work from home, so that means they don't want you to knock.
You're
on the
back
door.
online. You should reach
So-
your destination by 7:39 a.m.
So let's go drop this last order off, and then we'll be on our way to work. Let's go. Guys, I'm so sorry. I just jumped out the car and didn't show you guys the last drop off. I'm so sorry. All right, now we're on our way. Just get out of this tight place and head on to work. It's a wonderful day. It's 71 degrees out here. So it's a beautiful day. I want to say thank you guys for always popping in, supporting, commenting. If you're not a part of Mom on a Mission, please come be a part. This is cricket. It is definitely free. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions or comments or any videos that you guys would like me to I'm trying to get out of here, I'm sorry. Like me to show you guys anything about Poplin, Spark, just leave it down in the description box and I will definitely answer your questions. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed.